If you've been anywhere near AI video lately, you've probably felt it. Something's coming, creators are talking, timelines are buzzing, and one name keeps popping up: Kling 3.0. Today's video isn't a tutorial. It's not a full breakdown, because Kling 3.0 isn't out yet. This is about what we know so far, what creators are hoping for, and why this release could be a real step forward for AI video creation. And yes, this is powered by Higgsfield, one of the fastest growing Gen AI platforms focused on making AI video actually usable for creators. Let's get into it. Before we talk Kling 3.0, quick context. Higgsfield's mission is pretty clear: make AI video creator friendly, not just impressive on paper. That means fewer broken workflows, less guessing, and more focus on control, consistency, and real output quality. Kling is their flagship video model, and Kling 3.0 is positioned as the next major leap. Important note up front: nothing here is officially finalized. Everything you're seeing is based on public signals, community discussion, and Higgsfield's own pre-release hints. That said, the expectations are big. Here's what keeps coming up. One of the biggest themes is cleaner realism. Creators are expecting smoother motion, better shot-to-shot coherence, fewer visual breaks during movement. The goal seems clear: outputs that feel more production-ready, not just cool demos. Right now, most AI video models struggle past short durations. With Kling 3.0, expectations are pushing toward around 15 seconds per clip, while keeping characters, lighting, and scenes consistent. That's a huge deal for storytelling, ads, and cinematic sequences. Another big talking point: native 4K at 60 frames per second. If this lands, it's a serious step up from current 1080p limits. For creators, this means better post-production flexibility, cleaner exports, more professional final results. This one matters more than people realize. Community discussions keep pointing to better hand interactions, more believable object handling, fewer melting or glitch artifacts. Think hugs that don't break, hands that actually touch objects, motion that feels grounded. The word omni keeps showing up. The idea here is a more unified creation flow, better context awareness, smarter continuity across shots, less manual fixing between generations. If executed well, this could save creators a lot of time. To understand the hype, look at where we are now. Kling to punked sex, approximately 10-second clips, 1080p output. Strong visuals, but motion can break. Separate steps for generation and refinement. Kling 3.0 is expected to push length further, increase output quality, improve consistency, and streamline the entire process. And that's not a small upgrade, that's a workflow shift. At this point in the video, open Higgsfield.ai on screen. Scroll slowly. Show the Kling 3.0 Coming Soon page. The blog post covering expectations, headlines and section titles. Call out how Higgsfield is openly acknowledging community discussion. They're leaning into creator feedback, and they're clearly positioning Kling 3.0 as a major release. This transparency is part of why creators are paying attention. This isn't just about better visuals. If Kling 3.0 delivers on even half of these expectations, it could mean faster iteration, fewer broken generations, more usable AI video for real projects. And that's what creators want, not magic, just reliability. So no, Kling 3.0 isn't live yet, but the signals are clear. Expectations are high. The community is watching, and Higgsfield is setting the stage carefully. If you care about AI video, this is one release worth keeping an eye on. Links to early access and all the sources I showed are in the description and pinned comment. When Kling 3.0 drops, you'll want to be ready.
The future looks different tonight, but the path remains the same.
The fabric shifts gently with ultra-clean motion.
Just enough to feel its weight, no rush. The warmth transfers through the porcelain,